Okay, this is a video on gas pilot ignition that's sticky and gas comes down the center here in this hole. And it probably has the cap on it. We'll have all these little venturi slices. Gas comes out and that's your burner. If you notice, there's a little one on top in between the big divots. Big divots, one in the middle. That's the venturi. Is your spark ignition. Right? No gas. So now, down in the center, there's a splatter. I'll try and get that gas orifice down in there. Come back with a salt bristle. Now you're looking for spark ignition. Spark ignition where it's grounded to this chassis. DC voltage, click, 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 grounds, ignition, gives you flame. Natural gas has a byproduct of carbonic acid, water in the fuel source. That's what burns off, just like your flame sensor on a furnace, and it'll leave slight rust, so clean it up. Clean your venturis out, and your gas ports. Let's see what she does. There we go. Okay. Blue flame, good. Orange flame is dust particles. Incomplete combustion.